Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Amosi ni misawa kamara maitire janeno mar Color TV midhiambo ni endi mar chieng' tich adek tarik 18 dwe mar adek higa 2020 to kod auchiel machiegni weche manyien e kidieny endi mar podho chieng' nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitunda. Jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto koro tieko ayanga limbe mare mar ndalo adek e yimbo mar piny Kenya kata Western kama odiochieng' endi ma kawuono noyawo kanyindo gedo mar utigi kama nengogi ogonyore maneno manangi na mayudore kaunti onogo ma Busia e kind chenro mamoko mabende koro telo ne kama oting'o bende yawo kanyinda lap tuke kata gedo mar lap tuke ma Busia mabende dhi muonyo kwan mag omenda maromo shillings milion 900. E kinde noendo jatend piny oyango ni oikore mar tiyo kanyakla koda jotelo duto mag mantiere pacho kaendi emomiyo ne gibiro koda piny owacho mamanywanda e kind UDA kaachiel koda ODM. Ka kinde noendo bende kwero jogo eko mase piny owacho mare ka oyango ni osetiyo makare kendo kwayo oganda go mondo miyo yiere kendo e tielo mar ariyo.
Mnasema niunganishe taifa letu la Kenya jameni. Si tulikubaliana tuache siasa ya ubaguzi. Tukaunganisha Kenya kwanza UDA pamoja na ODM. Tukatengeneza serikali ya broad based. Si leo mimi nafanya kazi na mheshimiwa ndugu yangu hapa Otuoma na viongozi wa hapa. Hata kama tumechaguliwa chama tofauti, sisi wote ni viongozi na hawa wananchi wametupatia nafasi ya uongozi, tupange mambo ya maendeleo yao ndio Kenya iweze kubadilika. Mimi nawauliza jameni, mkubali tuungane, tushirikiane, tuwe na nguvu, tuende Kenya pamoja. Watu wa Busia mnaniambiaje? Mnasema tuungane, tushirikiane, tufanye affordable housing, tujenge masoko, niunganishe stima, nijenge barabara, Kenya iungane. Mnasema tuungane kwa sababu umoja ni nguvu. Hebu nione wala anasema tuungane, 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 tuungane. Kwa hivyo nyinyi watu wa Busia mnasemaje? Ati Busia mnasemaje? Ati Busia mnasemaje? Hebu nione watu wa tutam, 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 tutam. Ati mnasemaje? Ati mnasemaje Busia? Mnasema tutam. Ati huyu uundo wenu anasema ati mimi ni one time. Mimi ni one time ama yeye ndiye atakuwa one time? Mheshimiwa, tafadhali bwana. Wewe tuheshimiane. Ama namna gani? Si namna hiyo? Mnasema tuungane. Mnamwambia mfunge wenu wafanye kazi na mimi. Tupeleke Funyula mbele. Tupeleke hapa Busia mbele. Si umesikia amri ya wananchi wewe bwana Ogundo? Ama namna gani? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Mmeshawahi kuona kazi kubwa kama hii inaendelea Kenya hii? Nisukume ama nisisukume? Kabisa iende mbele. Na wale wananipigia kelele ni wanyoroshe. Nitawanyorosha mbaya sana. Ama namna gani bwana? Hata wanajaribu kuniletea mchezo ndani ya kazi, nimewaambia nitawatandika nyinyi. Ama namna gani? Sijui kama tunaelewana. Busia hoye.
Kama chile ni jarimba piko mwara mabende ne ogwe kanyinde pinyi koda governor e county onogo ma Busia Laktar Paul Otuoma koro dhiedo kodwaro mar mondo mi chule kanyindo kwan mag omenda maromo shillings milion 100 kaluwore koda hinyruok mabende koro ne oyude kinde mane governor nendo ne ogwe kane pogo kodhi e county onogo. Ka okalo kuom okil mare Danstan Omari oyango ni banga koro nosegwe jarimba piko nendo notemo mar mondo mi omany chenro mag thieth to ne otame koda ute thieth mantiere kaunti ma Busia mochako dhi e kaunti ma Siaya kama bende ne otame yudo thieth mane ochune mar mondo mi odhi od thieth moro mar ji giwegi kama oyango ni koro gavana nindo ne ora pisas mag obila mabende koro ne otwe wang'e kendo ndhiye kata kamano nindo ne opusore ma oringo modhi buore Nairobi moyudo thieth od thieth nogo ma Mbagathi kama bang'e koro ne ojaso kanyo foma manero mar P3 ka koro ne gichopo nyim doho ka gidwaro mar mondo mi chule omenda maromo shillings milion 100 kaluwore kanyendo koda hinyruok mabende ne oyudo.
A serious issue arose in Busia County, where the governor of Busia County, His Excellency Otuoma, was distributing seats to the county citizens of Busia. In the queue was our client Yusuf Hamisi, who was on the queue. I don't know what provoked the governor. The governor abused our client in some unprintable words that we cannot be able to put across on national media. He went ahead and kicked at the groin the private parts of this young boda guy. We are not sure whether his fertility was affected. We are not sure whether that was an act of castration. Out of that, our client was whisked by the Otuoma security personnel. They beat him up. He managed to escape out of the wrath of the citizens of Busia County. He went and reported at Sio Police Station. Sio Police Station is a police station that is around 15 meters away from the governor's home. This young man also comes from that area. His home is a very short distance of around 30 meters from the governor's home. So, he went there, reported, with a lot of difficulties. He was denied to be given a P3 form. He went to the hospital in Busia. He was denied a chance to be treated. He had to sneak to Siaya County, which is a neighboring county, to seek medical attention. He was denied medical attention in a hospital, a public hospital in Siaya County, which is a neighboring county, out of the influence and the calls of the governor of Busia, either to the governor of Siaya. This man, in that pain, he was abducted from Siaya by 4 heavily armed people. He was blindfolded, then was put in a vehicle to be driven back to Busia County. Midway, he escaped, and after escaping, he got a good Samaritan who siphoned him out to Nairobi, where he came and he got treated at Mbagathi Hospital. He got his P3 form signed at Mbagathi Hospital. He is now in a safe place, hiding from the governor of Busia. Aggrieved with this conduct, he sought our instructions, and we got to file a petition before the Constitutional and Human Rights Division.
Komachielo ni jogo ikomoda koda ng'ole kaunti ma Migori kurikwayo mar mondo miyo yondikre kod riwruok mag joma kamago eko mar mondo mi gine kaka ginyalo yudo konya kawuok kuom piny owacho mamalo. Tend kaunti nogo kaachiel kod riwruoge mopogore opogore ka gitwa koda jofwambo giyango ni gikalo achiel nade mapek makoro miyo gichuno mar mondo mi gitim tije moko matindo tindo kaka twang'o wuoche e kinde mago eko mamoko mar mondo mi koro gine kaka ginyalo konyore kaka otelnegi kanyiero koda jakom mar jokanyo e riwruok nogo mantiere koda ng'ol mopogore opogore kaunti nogo. Migosi David Otieno ojiwogi mar mondo mi giyie gibed e riwruok kanyakla mar mondo mi koro gine kaka ginyalo bero ngimagi ka bende akwede mathoth giyango ni giyudo kawuok kuom oganda mopogore opogore.
We have discussed that we will go each and every ward. Let us move to each and every ward. And I want to tell persons with disability that anytime you have received the call, please come out, most of you. We don't want that if there is a meeting in any ward that we get only 10 to 20 people, that we need each and every person who is disabled in that ward, so that people may know that we are around.
Viongozi wengi waleacha sisi nyuma, hata kwa kazi, hata kwa mambo yote ambaye ndio wanafanya. Na tukiingia hata hapo kwa ofisi sisi kama walemavu, na wamejiona sisi kama wale ambao wanaenda kujiombaomba. Na hiyo ni kitu ambayo tunataka kutoa hiyo baria, ikwae waangalie sisi kama binadamu pia kama wengine.
One thing we have discovered is that most of people living with disability are not registered with the government. So as an empowerment network, we are going to network with them and ensure that they are duly registered so that they can receive the services required. As a people, we are going to work closely with these people with disability so that they may be empowered and we change the level of their economic standards so that they may also live with dignity amongst us.
We are just here to send appeals to those that can be available and can come in handy in assisting the persons with disability in various ways and in various capacities that they can. This is a very, very vital group to invest in, because most of them do not just lie idle or sit idle. Even those who are here today, they do something to earn a living. They do their businesses, they run their errands that give them money. So any investment in them is in line with the economic empowerment and transformation that the country is involved in.
Request these people to register as voters. They register, they take an ID. That is when they'll be known as Kenyans. Yes, so that after taking their ID, I believe they'll.
Jalup jatend piny Kenya Ngire Abraham Kithure Kindiki oseo malich mokalo jotelo makoro gi kinde niendi owuok oko kendo oseo piny owacho margi ni tich otamo ka oyango ni gisetiyo ne oganda e pacho kae yo nendo makare. E kinde iki bende koro kwero jotelo madiro ayenje ne jatend piny ka osingo marakore kodgi kendo yango ni kinde ma Uhuru Kenyatta ne nitiere telo onge jogo eko bende nowero one time kaka kori wero negi gi kinde niendi ka osingo mar biro neno ni gimedo kuodo wi jotelo makamago kaluwore koda tich makare magichwalo ne oganda jo Kenya.
Wale wana lecture rais wa mheshimu kwanza, wengine walipewa kazi ya kumsaidia wakashindwa. Badala ya kukuja hapa Bomet kama vile fireman amekuja kwa mambo ya soko, kwa mambo ya barabara, wao hawakunyanga hapa. Kazi yao ilikuwa kudharau rais na kuchochea wananchi, kwa sababu nchi ilikuwa na matatizo ya kiuchumi, kuchochea wananchi ati hakuna kazi inaendelea. Saa hii wakiulizwa ile siku walikuwa ofisi walifanyia nini, mradi mmoja walileta Bomet awasemi. Kazi yao ni kutusi rais. Mimi nimesema ya kwamba before you start demanding the president to be presidential, you must treat President Ruto as president. Bona hawakuambia Uhuru Kenyatta one time? Bona hawakuambia Mwai Kibaki one time? Niseme nisiseme? Yaani kuna rais umekuwa naye ambaye ni perfect hii dunia? Si rais ni mwanadamu kama sisi? The government is a human institution and there is no perfect government. How come during Kibaki's time nobody said one time? How come during Uhuru Kenyatta's time nobody said one time? Badala ya kusema sera yenu, mumetumia muda wenu wote kutukana, kudharau na kudhalilisha rais wa taifa la Kenya. Mimi nawauliza hivi, before you start demanding for President Ruto to act presidential, have you treated him in a presidential manner? Mumemuongelesha na onyesha kama rais ya Kenya kabla mwanze kusema ati lazima akae kama rais. You cannot demand that President Ruto should be presidential when you have used all your time to insult, to demean the office of the president and the holder of that office. Na mimi nimesema enough is enough. Na mimi nimeambia mdosi wangu sasa atulize pole. Awachane hawa watu, ni watu wadogo. Awachie fireman na wale wengine. We will deal with these characters. These are small timers. Sisi tumepigana vita kubwa, my friend. Hii madharau na Rais Ruto imetoka wapi? Na hawa jamaa, mimi nimeambia mdosi wangu sasa atulize boli. Aniachie hawa watu. Hao ni watu wadogo kisiasa. Wengine hawajakuwa anything. Wamekuwa tu mbunge one term. Mtu amekuwa mbunge one term. Hii one term anaambia watu yeye ndiye one term kwa sababu alikuwa mbunge one term. Na hakuna kazi nyingine dunia hii amefanya. Alafu unakuja kutulecture hapa. Mwachane na rais.
Agi kanyo bine makele agi komarmi weche manyene kidini di marpudho chintu di kodwa sa chiela. Ikidinyo nogo mar machigni pacho ka chiel koda sa deka. Ikidinyo nogo mar nyendo weche mwabro kelo ni weche mamoko mathotha. Erokamano kumne bedo koda chakruok nyaka giko. Nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula.